Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying device capability and freeing space. Performance matters. Once done, install Termux or a dedicated VM app like User-L and/or a Kemu frontend from the Play Store, because these provide the virtualization layer. Next, download the Android or Linux image you plan to run. Choose ARM or x86 based on the VM engine. Make sure developer options are enabled for advanced access and that you have 4+ GB free. This prevents failures during image extraction. Now you configure the VM engine and attach the disk image. Choose CPU cores and RAM to balance speed and stability. For graphical access, pick VNC or SDL and set a sensible display resolution such as 1280 x 720 to reduce GPU load. Configure network as bridged or NAT depending on how you want connectivity. NAT is simpler. If RAM is tight, create a 0.51 GB swap file to prevent OOM kills. Then verify file permissions so on first boot you complete OS setup, create a user, and set SSH or VNC passwords so you can connect easily. Once running, optimize by disabling unnecessary services, setting a conservative CPU governor, and reducing display resolution to save resources. If you want persistence, enable auto start within the VM app. If the VM fails to boot, inspect logs for missing modules, verify the image checksum, free storage, and increase swap or reduce assigned RAM. That usually resolves common crashes and hangs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.